siya, kasalor.
Busy, Q, laging nag-iikot sa barangay. When you say nag-iikot, si Ninang, I see to it na okay yung mga kabarangay ko, yung ka-district ko.
What is the first subject pa, madam?
Madam? Why are you calling me madam? I'm your Ninang.
Yeah!
Oh, do not call me madam.
What's this for, man?
Slowly.
What is that for, man?
What is mine?
Ayan, no?
What is my happiest moment?
Yes.
I think today is my happiest moment because you are so cute. You are so lovable. You're making me laugh. And you're making me happy. Mare Ed?
What tayo?
Pare. Sino si Pare? Pare, di ba?
Do you know their names?
Yes.
What?
Okay.
Ano ba? Pogi ka na
Kasi di yan palang
Oh,
pangalan
what
nila.
tayo? Pare.
Anong name mo, kuya?
Michael po. Christian.
Okay, what's their names?
Okay, Christian ako.
What's your name?
Marie.
Okay, what's their name?
Mas sexy.
Mas sexy!
What you?
Don't be shy. You want water? Water muna?
Yes!
Water!
Yes!
Oh, water ka. Para happy. Yun! You can do it, you! Okay,
Basta tayo, pare!
Pare! Basta pare tayo!
Mas hyper pa tong si Aiko kaysa Sumasabay pa yung isa eh. Okay, inhale. Exhale.
Right here, from London.
Ah!
Pare!
Ninang!
Ang sexy!
Ang sarap mag-guest sa show mo, Q! Kasi you're calling Ninang sexy!
Okay, pare tayo!
Friends tayo!
Okay.
Kayo po?
I'm good. Ikaw, kamusta ka, Q?
Pare!
Pare, yes!
Kaso, was ka sa loma, sir?
Ba't naging sir na siya? Isa pa.
How was was ka sa lor?
Busy, Q, laging nag-iikot sa barangay. When you say nag-iikot, si Ninang, I see to it na okay yung mga kabarangay ko, yung ka-district ko, lalo na nung bagyo, di ba? There was a typhoon, naalala mo yun?
Opo.
Nagbaha, di ba?
Yes.
So, we had to give relief packs to the mga ka-distrito.
Really?
Mm-mm.
Why?
Kasi, yung mga gamit ng mga nabaha, naubos.
Oo nga.
So, dapat help tayo sa kanila. Kasi,
Of course.
Yes.
Friends.
Friends.
Wake up.
What time did I wake up today?
Yeah.
I woke up at 8 a.m.
What?
8 a.m.
What you do?
When I woke up, I prayed. And then after praying, I checked on my cell phones. And then I texted Ate Martina because she has school today, start ng school niya today. And then I texted her if she got to the school safely. And she said, yes, Mama, I'm home. And by the way, si Ate Martina says hello. Nanonood siya sa iyo lagi sa mga vlogs ni Mama.
Ako?
Yes!
What did you eat?
What did I eat today? Si Ninang kasi na-acid lately. So, yung food ko ngayon, kailangan hindi siya talaga ma-carbs. When you say ma-carbs, bawal ako sa rice ngayon. Para yung pagtunaw ni Ninang, okay. So, I just had oatmeal. Boring, no? Oatmeal.
Yeah, tama nga pati.
Boring yung food ni Ninang.
Ask po, ma'am.
Oo, na-acid si Ninang Aiko. May masakit yung tummy ko, yung stomach ko. Kasi madaming gas.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is siguro yung maalaala mo kaya na movie ni Ninang Aiko. Kasi doon ako nanalo ng unang award.
What is the first subject pa, madam?
Madam? Why are you calling me madam? I'm your Ninang.
Yeah!
Oh, do not call me madam. My favorite subject is I don't like math. I don't like math. Are you good in math?
No.
Me also. I don't like counting. I don't like computing. So my favorite subject
Is he
is
Filipino?
science.
What?
Science.
Science?
Gusto ko yung mga anatomy ng ng mga katawan ng tao because si Ninang Aiko is a frustrated doctor. I cannot be a doctor so tanggap doon na lang ako. Kaya ang favorite ko subject, science.
What's that for, madam?
Again.
Ha?
What's this for, man?
Slowly.
What is that for, man?
What is my?
Ayan, no?
What is my happiest moment?
Yes.
I think today is my happiest moment because you are so cute. You are so lovable. You're making me laugh. And you're making me happy.
Ako?
Oo, ikaw. Ikaw, you're making me happy.
What's this for, man? Talis mo daw, pre.
My saddest moment, nung namatay yung dad ko. Kasi my dad passed away dahil he got sick. Nagkaroon ng COVID. Alam mo yung COVID? Ano yung COVID? Yung di ba nagkaroon tayong pandemic. Ang dami nagkasakit. So yung isa yung daddy ko dun sa namatay because hindi niya nakayanin yung sakit na COVID.
Are you good now?
Hindi pa lahat kasi si Ninang Aiko naniniwala na habang nabubuhay ang tao, lagi dapat hindi tayo nauubusan ng goal sa buhay. So that's why Q, never stop learning. That's your goal, ha? Every day you learn new things. Diba?
Mga goods pa, madam.
Kaya pare! Ayaw ko ng madam!
Mga goals?
Number 1, family is important. So si Kuya Andre and Auntie Martina, kailangan maging maayos ang buhay nila. That's my main goal. And then, of course, after nun, iisipin ko yung sarili naman ni Ninang Aiko, which is to be healthy. Kasi, like your mom, si Mama Candy mo, di ba, is a breadwinner. Alam mo yung breadwinner? Ano yung isip ng breadwinner?
So, sinoge.
Movie daw ni Oge.
Breadwinner. Si, ano yun, si Vice Ganda?
Oo nga daw, movie ni Oge.
Ni Ninang Oge. Hindi yung movie nila. Yung breadwinner, ibig sabihin, siya yung nag-work para sa family. Si Mama Candy, di ba siya yung nag-work para sa'yo, para may pang medicine ka, may pang food ka, para you can buy what you want, di ba?
Yes!
Yun ang breadwinner.
Si Eva Foster.
Ano, Georgia ka, siyang kaso? Isa pa.
One more time. Kaya mo yan. You can do it.
What is a stick?
What
And?
makes you
And sa stick.
and to
Sa stick.
enthusiastic? Yay! Good job!
What?
That's a very hard word, ha? By being alive. Kasi being alive is a blessing from God. So, dapat kailangan maging you look forward to being healthy, alive, para ma-enjoy mo yung mga company ng mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo, and also I can serve my district well and better.
As a council of a QC, what can help us with me?
Like someone who has special needs like you.
Yes.
What can we do? Si Ninang Aiko has a guarantee letter program, and then meron kaming funding sa Children's Medical Center, which is yung mga therapy with kids with special needs. So every time na meron silang needs sa therapy nila or sa medicine nila, they can go to my office, and that's how I help them. Libre yun, of charge. In my district, only my district, they can go to my headquarters or office, and then they can ask help from Ninang Aiko.
Wala ako.
Wait, mas malakas ka kay Ninang Aiko. Ikaw pa ba? Diyos ko, kahit wala nang pila-pila.
Namumblema siya, alam niya hindi ka ka-distrito.
Alam niya, no?
Oo.
Kasi guys, hindi kami magka-distrito ng Q sa District 1 ka, di ba?
Namumblema siya.
Yes!
Oh, alam niya. Check! Sagot ka ni Nina!
Alam mo bakit? Nung botohan, naglalagay kami ng mga counselor. Sabi niya, where's Ninang Aiko? Hindi ko siya ka-distrito, hindi ko siya pwede i-boto.
Alam niya?
Oo.
Good job.
Kaya at po?
Ito ba talaga gusto mo, Quentin?
Opo!
Gusto mo to?
Wow, we're going to act?
Yes!
Oh, okay. What kind? Drama? Kasi si Ninang drama.
Okay.
Wah!
Wow!
Wow, ang ganda.
galing.
Agad.
Oscars, anak mo nga ito.
Okay, so ang eksena ninyo, kunya,
Ano
ako yung director.
Director natin si Mama. So,
Ako yung director, okay?
Oo.
Quentin, I will be the director.
Yeah.
So the eksena is, your mom is sad.
Oo, no!
Oh, sad.
Siya!
Oo, sad yung mommy mo. Tapos, sasabihin mo sa kanya,
Uy!
Uy, makinig ka!
Si Direk nagagalit na.
Oh, magagalit si Direk. Tapos sabihin mo, hindi maging sad ang mommy mo.
Ah.
Okay.
Tama.
You tell your mom,
Kaya,
Mommy,
pare.
ang line mo, Mommy, don't be sad. Lights! Camera! Hindi ikaw ang sad, si Ninang! Oh, you ask.
Well, sad po.
Cut! Wala ka kwenta-kwenta eksena.
Pare.
Ang bilis mo tumawa. Okay, ano gusto mo? Sad o happy?
Sad po.
O, sad. Show me sad.
Ako crying ng kiyo.
O, sige, cry. Action, cry!
Ako?
Oo.
Yung mga bookings.
Ako muna? Yes! Ba't kasali ako?
Yeah.
Ikakalma ka na lang ni Ninang Aiko.
Calm down. Calm down.
O, sige, kunyari, crying ka. 1, 2, 3. O, sad. O, ang galing. O, sige, sad pa, sad pa.
Tama na. Huwag ka na mag-cry. Tama na. Ba't ka ba sad?
Ang bilis. Ang bilis na eksena.
Pare.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay.
Pasado.
O, thank you po, Ninang.
Yes. Cue anytime. I love you.
Ano ka pa tayo?
Pare.
O, yun, hanggang na si Ninang.
Tayo pa tayo.
Yay! Friends tayo!
Tayo pa tayo.
Yes! Another one. Woohoo! Maren!
Para tayo. Tayo.
I love you. You.
Tayo.
What do you say? What do you say? When someone says I love you, what do you say?
Ano to? Tayo.
I'm so proud of you.
Every day is a blessing. The truth.